Hello there, YouTube. This is Transformers Fan G138. I'm here with a unboxing video. I just got two new boxes in. Let's see what we have. So the first box is open. And, oh no! Another Kopaka. So this one looks like it's in a nice, decent condition box. So that'll go on a shelf. Nice and cold. Now we have the second box. Let's see if we can't go ahead and open this one too. And here we go. Ooh. This is neat. We get Liwa, Toa there, or Master of Jungle. Weird, but we'll take it. We got Kohatu, Master or Toa of Stone. Onoa, large box, Master of Earth. Gale, Master of Water. And Tahu, Master of Fire. This is gonna be cool. So I can't wait to dig open these things and start assembling them. One of the most notable things is the size boxes. There are two sizes here. There's the $14.99 ones and the $19.99 ones. These are larger. Kopaka and Tahu are also larger. Gali, Pohatu, and Liwa are the smaller ones. And I can't wait to see what these guys look like. These actually look better than these. I think these might have been too large. But I'm going to open these up and have some fun with them. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. You can expect some reviews of these coming out in the next day or so. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.